Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami paper lantern. For this we need a regular origami paper, which is 15 by 15 centimeters. We're going to start with the origami paper white side up, and we fold it in half vertically. Crease, unfold, and fold it in half again. And then bring this side to the center as well. Next we're going to bring this corner here and we'll leave roughly 1 centimeter here. And we do the same for all the other corners. Now we fold it, we do a mounting fold here. And at the bottom as well. So it looks like this. We're gonna fold this corner again, all the way here to here. And all the other corners. Again, leaving 1 centimeter on each side. We turn the model over, and next we're gonna open these pockets and flatten them to make a rectangle, and do the same at the bottom. So that's it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.